Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing through a new topic that is afternoon time. What fantastic afternoon happy to watch my full video. Follow, subscribe, and that's why be able to see my content while I publish my every single content into my channel. So please, it's to turn with me, and this is time for that beginning. Me and my grandfather one now sitting at this tea stall behind of me. This is called a tea stall, and this is a called our local tea stall. And in this tea stall, I'm certain this kind of content, this content will be helpful for daily life speaking English. And now I'm sharing with you some information with my grandfather. So please stay tuned with me. And this is time for let's beginning. Thank you everyone for staying connected with me. Now I'm showing with you some kind of information with my grandfather. And he is my grandfather. What's your name? তোমার নাম কি?
আব্দুল আজিজ
What's your father name? তোমার পিতার নাম কি?
বালুফারানি
What's your mother name? তোমার মায়ের নাম কি?
হেরা খাতুন
How old are you right now? তোমার এখনো বয়স কত?
85
What's your favorite food? মানে তোমার প্রিয় খাদ্য কি?
ভাত খাই আর কি
মানে What's your favorite dish? তোমার প্রিয় পোশাক কি?
সাদা পাঞ্জাবি
What's your favorite road? তো তোমার প্রিয় রাস্তা কোনটা? This is his favorite road because this is called our village road, and this road is too much like his. And do you know what is the name? This is called a stick. This is called a stick. In this stick, he is walking all time because he can't walk without this kind of stick. Yeah, that's why he is ate through this kind of stick.
ভালো আছে 70 টাকা করে
What class do you read in like? এখন তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়াশোনা করো?
আমার তো শেষই আর প্রশ্ন আছে
পড়াশোনা শেষ। His study is already finished. And do you know what is my name? Do you know what is my name?
হ্যালো
মানে আমার নাম কি তুমি কি এটা বলতে পারো? বলো।
তোর নাম সাগর
Who I am.
আমার ধান কাটায় ব্যস্ত আছি
আমি কে? Who I am.
তোমার মন খায় না কাছে
বলো who I am.
পড়াই চাই
রাতে
রাতে
আমার
লাতি
Do you like me? তুমি কি আমাকে পছন্দ করো?
আর দুই দিন বইলেছে লোক পাচ্ছে না মাথা টাকা বের আল্লাহ পাল্লাতে সাথে
Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't upload this type of content because time is very short. Next time I will connect with you with my short time. Please sit down with me and watching my this kind of content. And this content will help our daily life speaking English. So thank you everyone. Inshallah I will back in a short time. Assalamu alaikum.